Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. Today we have a really exciting lesson. These are techniques that will help you as a keyboardist. Go ahead and stay tuned. This is Roland Blazay. Let's get started.
Something that's good for me.
Before we continue, I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment. If whatever lesson you want me to teach, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know. I'll drop a video on that. I appreciate all you guys for following. Let's get right into it. Now, many of you don't know this. One of my weaknesses in Kompa is actually the ende. The most simple, basic Kompa is actually my weakness. I'm used to doing all this advanced crap. But guys, listen. If you want to learn how to play the ende, you have to grab certain techniques from the greats. This video, I will break down some of the things that Dano Eugene is one of the greatest keyboardists I've ever seen. I will break down some of his techniques in this video to soloing on the ende. Now I want you guys to go ahead and pay attention. This lesson has a lot of good techniques that you can just throw into your Kompa playing. Let's get started. Okay, if you go to kompakeyboardschool.com, you will find sounds guys, Kompa sounds for the Mod X, main stage, different things like that. You'll find courses, so don't hesitate. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. Let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so right now we're in the key of C. What's our chord progression? It's C, F, G, F. So what is he doing? He does a run on the 2. On the 2 of your timing. He starts on any note, either the E, the G, or the C. He starts on any one of these notes. So watch what I do here. 1, 2. And then he gets into what? Instead of a regular D, he removes the A, he uses the 7 and the 1. See how classic that sounds? And instead of a regular 1, and after that, he goes right to the regular 1. So watch this. I'm going to do a run on the 2 timing, and then I'm going to go into this for my 2, and then go to the 1. So watch what I do here, guys. 1, 2. See how easy that is? And it sounds really good. Instead of a 1, 4, 5, 4, you're just using this in the place of the 4, 5, whatever. It's just this. You're 2, 4, 7, and 1. So let's do it again. Let's try different runs, different versions of that 2 that I showed you. Let's try it. Let's try it out, guys. So, 1, 2. So that's 1. Let's try a different one. 1, 2. So I'm going to just run through this last technique real quick that he uses in the video, and you can put it into your style of playing. And then you could jump right back to the other technique where you're doing a run and then you're playing with that 2, 4, 7, 1. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna jump in and out of those 2 patterns. So the second technique, which is 5, So back to the one. So guys, those two techniques are really effective. I'm just now getting into using those. So a lot of the techniques I'm about to teach you, this groove is in E flat. It's the only fast end day groove I have, and it's in E flat. So I'm gonna show you some of the things he does right now. The first thing he does before he jumps into his solo, he walks up the scale. Because right now we're in E flat. What's our chord progression? So check this out. It's a 1, 4, 5, 4, E flat, A flat, B flat, A flat. But we're not gonna play the end day using those basic chords. There's some techniques that Dano does. I want you guys to pay attention. It's the first thing he does. So what is that? He walks up the scale starting from the 5th note. In the case of E flat major, in this key, our 5th note is B flat. So he does. Really nice scale he walks up on. So let's get right into it, guys. After he walks up, he does something like this. You see, I went fast, but I want you guys to catch what I'm doing. So after he does this walk up, that's walking up from the 1, well, walking up from the 5, 6, 7, 1. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2. So you guys have to do that repeatedly to really help it to stick in your brain. So in the key of C, you would be doing this. Very good technique, guys. Just walking up fast your scale is very easy. You don't always have to just slide and get into the solo. You can do a nice run like that. And then what I like is he does a... Okay, guys. 1, 2. So on the 5, we're playing with these notes. We're playing with the 2, 4, 7, and 1. So let's do our run and play with the 2, 4, 7, and 1, and watch what happens, guys. See how that flows? This is the 7, 1, 2, 4. We're playing with the 2, 4, 7, and 1. So that's all we're gonna learn in this lesson, just how to do a run and get into the 2, 4, 7, 1. And then we'll get into the major. Watch this, guys. So guys, listen to what I'm saying, guys. The technique today, you're learning how to do a run on the 2, on your time signature. And then you're playing with the 2, 4, 7, 1. And then when you're on your 1, you're playing with the 1. So watch what I do here, guys. I'm gonna do different runs and different versions of what I'm talking about. So are you? 1, 2. You see, now I'm already on the 7, 1. So let's do it again. 1, 2. See how that just flowed with the beat? It flowed with the beat, guys. So the key is to turn your 2, instead of using a regular 2, which is F minor, you remove the C, you add this, and then you add that. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to mache, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa for $19.99. This Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait. Do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.